Hi there, I'm Ayush Keshari, and this is my demo video for Project Los Angeles AR Knick-Knack Experience. This application was built using Unity and the Vuforia AR software development kit, and it uses two physical cube markers to display interactive augmented reality scenes representing various iconic landmarks in Los Angeles. I chose this location uh, because Los Angeles is my favorite city in the entire world. And I thought that it would be a really nice idea to implement uh, the iconic landmarks in the city of Los Angeles in a AR experience. I have visited Los Angeles several times, and during these visits, I developed a deep appreciation for the city's vibrant atmosphere, iconic landmarks, and coastal culture. And inspired by these experiences, I decided to create an AR application that captures some of the places, uh, some of the most iconic landmarks, which made these which had the strongest impression on me. So this is my entire project, and this is AR camera where both of these cubes are located, and it's tracked uh, when you show the knickknacks. So the first cube represents Santa Monica Pier, one of the most iconic places in Los Angeles. And what happens is that when the camera detects the cube, the application anchors a miniature 3D scene on top of it, on top of this. The scene includes a Ferris wheel, palm trees, vehicles, a Ferrari P80C. It's a beautiful, she's a beauty. And yeah, and other beach elements, which upon seeing you know that it's a beach. It's a beach ball. This is the ball which I made, and umbrellas and beach chairs, boom boxes, and beach umbrellas, all of that stuff. And so all of these elements represent Santa Monica area. The Ferris wheel, now the Ferris wheel is animated uh, using a rotation script which I made. It's here. Okay, so both of these scripts handle the rotation of the Ferris wheel. The Ferris wheel is animated using these stripes so that the wheel rotates continuously while the cabins remain upright. So that ultimately creates a natural motion similar to the way how a real Ferris wheel rotates. And whenever the cube is seen, whenever the cube is in the scene, whenever a cube is displayed to the webcam, an ambient beach audio is also triggered, and the audio stops once the target, the cube, is lost. Now coming to the second cube. Oh, by the way, each one of the sides of the cubes represent different real-time information about Santa Monica Pier. So you have local time on this side, AQI on the other, weather, and yeah. So now coming to the second cube, this sort of represents downtown LA. So you have the US Bank Tower, you have another one of these beautiful cars, Porsche 911, and just a normal LAPD car. You can imagine this car to be chasing There's a criminal inside here. Maybe a heist is happening. I'm sorry, I love playing GTA, so I cannot help but think these scenarios. Okay, so when this cube is detected, the application displays a 3D model of uh, the US Bank Tower, along with cars and other urban elements. To, and these ultimately represent uh, an environment downtown in Los Angeles. This cube also triggers its own ambient city sound. So cars honking, just ambient sound, like cars going by, and all of those sounds. And it uses the same audio on tracking system. You can actually see this here, where yep, here is the audio source, and this is these are all of the scripts which work with the the things. Uh, and and this cube also has different information about downtown Los Angeles, so local time, AQI, and weather, and all of it is real time. And yes, and here you have these. So all of this information is handled by this script, which I wrote about this for this cube representing the scene of downtown Los Angeles. And one thing which I forgot to mention was that both of these cubes have ambient lighting as well. So right now in Los Angeles, it's like 2:53 since it's Pacific time. So they have these. Right now it's afternoon, so the intensity of the sunlight will be like really. It's going to be really intense since it's daytime, and even the weather is like really clear now. In Los Angeles, usually the weather's clear most of the time, but that's another thing. So yeah, so ambient lighting. You have ambient lighting for both of the cubes. So these are. This is the part where the lighting is handled, and it's also in the scripts as well. The intensity of the lighting is handled via the scripts, so it's based on the time of day. And because common sense requires us to, like, common sense tells us that if it's like 12 or 1 or maybe even 3 in the afternoon, the sun rays is going to be really intense. But when it's like 5 or maybe 6 in the evening, the sun rays are, it's going to be a more of a pleasant sunshine reflecting over the cubes and over the cubes. And so yeah, the day emission color is selected to be this, just a bright yellow. And at night, you'll see a bit of darkness on both of the cubes, so that signifies night. Like it's night now. So yeah. Also, one more thing is that I have added, and I'm going to show it to the viewer who was watching this, in the output, that it's like you have different emojis. You have different emojis showing up. So if it's day, you'll see a day, a sun emoji, and if it's the night, you'll see a moon emoji. And you also have emojis for the weather of the place. And yep, you have a weather of the place for, so if it's raining, there's a rain emoji. If it's cloudy, it's the clouds emoji. If it's a storm in Los Angeles, uh, you'll see a cloud with the thunder emoji. And if it's snowing, you'll see the snowflake emoji. So based on that. And the AQI part is color coded. So if the AQI of these places, either one of these, is less than 50, it's going to be green. and then it's going to be yellow up to 100, and then if it's AQI is more than 100, it's going to be um, like red or something like that. I'm pretty sure a dark version of red is over 300. So, but it's the AQI part is color coded. So each of these cubes is configured as a Vuforia multi-target, and this allows us it allows the application to be to be able to track the cube from multiple faces of the cube. The cube faces display information, just as I mentioned before, and these keep on uh, updating in real time. And the I selected the update the update refresh rate to be 30 seconds, since it's more like in more realistic and in real time. According to the guidelines of the project, it was 10 minutes, but I personally I thought that that was too long of a time, so I did not use that guideline at all. And so this data is displayed, all of the data is displayed dynamically. And when both of these cubes are detected simultaneously, the application, which I've made, triggers a combined interaction. So what would happen was that you would see, if you bring both of the cubes together in front of the webcam, you'll see this. This part is, you'll see a canvas, which I'm going to show it to you in the output as well. And you'll see that a canvas will be displayed, which welcomes you to Los Angeles. And that canvas has the Hollywood sign and just a beautiful skyline over a sunset in Los Angeles. And you have Hollywood Hills in the backdrop. It's beautiful. Los Angeles is a beautiful place. Yeah, and this behavior is also implemented using scripts. And what these scripts do is that they track both of the cubes, and when both of them are detected simultaneously, the skyline image is displayed on the screen. Yep. And so this project ultimately satisfies the assignment requirement, the project requirement, by I'm proud to say that it exceeds the requirements of the of the project. And so multiple AR knickknacks are there. They're animated 3D models. That part took me like 6 hours to build. It was really hard to implement that. But like now that it's built, it's really beautiful and like really good to look at. You have ambient sound, you have ambient lighting, you have real-time information displayed on the cube faces, and you also have an interaction between two simultaneously tracked AR objects where the canvas part shows up and welcomes the user to Los Angeles. So, yeah, and overall, the goal of this project was to create this small interactive AR experience inspired by the places I have visited till now in Los Angeles. And what this application would do is that it would allow users to explore iconic landmarks in Los Angeles through augmented reality, harnessing the power of augmented reality. And now we'll move to the demo part. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna bring the first cube, and this looks like yeah, this is this one. You have this all of the stuff which I talked to you about before. You have emojis and all of that stuff. Time, AQI, it's color coded, and the Ferris wheel is just it's beautiful. And you also have the sunshine is really since it's like 3 in the afternoon now in Los Angeles, so the sunshine intensity is really high. This was Santa Monica Pier. Now we're traveling to downtown Los Angeles. All of the details, AQI, and you can see the sunshine and the shadows. And now, uh, what happens when you bring both of these cubes together is that you'll see, yes. So you can, so you know you're in Los Angeles and you're welcomed, and you see these palm trees, and this beautiful skyline overlooking the Hollywood sign and the Hollywood Hills. It's just beautiful. Okay, and whenever you take any one of the cubes out of the tracking area, you'll see that the skyline is no longer shown. So the skyline is only shown when both of the cubes are brought together. Yep. Okay. Maybe I'm having a problem with the sounds playing because I'm on my AirPods for a better mic system, and so I'll add in a different video as well, which is using my Max speakers and not my AirPods, so that audio is captured as well. But yeah, this is my project, and thank you so much for watching.